Hello, and welcome to Lazy Home Cook. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, I thank you. Please remember to subscribe, press the like button, and leave a comment. Today's question: tell me what kind of spices do you like to cook with in your kitchen? Today, I wanted something spicy, so I decided to make a simple Cajun shrimp recipe over jasmine rice. Before I introduce the ingredients for this simple recipe, I wanted to introduce you to my little friend. I'm going to be making my own Cajun seasoning. So some of the spices that I will be using today are thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, pink Himalayan salt, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, oregano, and black pepper. The final two ingredients, extra virgin olive oil and fresh tiger shrimp. Truth be told, I'm a salt and pepper kind of guy. So it would make perfect sense for me just to use pre-made Cajun seasoning. But I wanted to challenge myself today and try to make my own Cajun seasoning. Let's see how it turns out.
This is Sparta!